Good boy.
Boy.
Yay. Take to Mama?
Can Daddy have it?
Or Daddy?
Daddy wants that egg.
Oh, Daddy wants
No. No eggs
No,
for
thank
Daddy.
Daddy's not gonna get it. Daddy, please. Daddy, egg, please.
Daddy,
Oh,
please.
dirt. Look at that dirt.
Stop. Doing like a dirt dance.
Someone's looking right at that blue one.
Okay, let's open this one.
I know, I think he's seen this pink one over here several times.
That's her.
You wanna dump it?
Well, you got 4 more left, I think.
Oh boy.
There's one.
If I can
Two.
remember right.
Where's the blue one?
It's in the grass.
End of your feet there, underneath the little chunks of wood.
Yeah, under the box.
Under the planter.
The box. The plant box.
There's a planter. You go exactly the place where you can't see it.
She doesn't know what she's looking for. So
I see it.
Alright, maybe Abuela can help you with another one. Okay, look
Come on,
down.
need to help. He
Look
can
all
figure it
around.
out. He doesn't find it here, he can find it by Memorial Day.
Yeah.
Crackers.
Is Daddy near one?
Does Daddy have one over by him?
Look, 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 look,